Welcome guys. Today we do again something about our baboon, our HP2 Enduro. I could fix the problem with the gearbox. It was not a problem, the problem was me as an unexperienced mechanic, I would say. We had with a friend a little bit of struggle to put the gearbox together because it don't want to align, and then we figured out what was the problem. And yeah, after 3 hours of struggling, we were able to put the gearbox together, screw it down to the right Newton meters as in the handbook written, put new seals in, and yeah, and that's it. So the gearbox is done. Also, I changed the bearings on the swing arm. I changed also the bearings in the final drive, not in the gearing, just only on the outer part where it mounts to. So the needle bearing and the normal ball bearing that attached later to the swing arm. So I changed that because they were not looking anymore good. And this is also again something over years. It's not over the usage of the bike, of course, also sandy condition, mud and everything, it goes in water and it destroys them, but also the seals get corroded, and so they are not elastic anymore as they were new. So today what we want to do, put in the gearbox, put in the new clutch, but because I bought new clutch plates and the whole assembly. Why I bought new clutch plates, maybe you want to know. It's so that if it don't has so much kilometers on, but if you have the old clutch plates and you have the surface where the clutch goes on, it don't rub down evenly. It will rub down on an angle. So it will be not straight, it will be on an angle. Of course, with this kilometers it shouldn't be that much, but I don't want it to risk, and so yeah, the old clutch plate assembly I will just sell for cheap money, and this will give me some budget for the new plate that I will mount in. So just to explain, it will be not flat, it will be a little bit square, and then if you put in the new flat friction plate, this friction plate will align only on the plate where it can attach. So it will first maybe slip or maybe not, and then it will try to change their surface to that what it is existing. So this is why I want to have a new one, and I will put in a new one, just that it works and everything is fine. So the only thing what is still missing from the seal side, from the sealing side, is on the front belt. I want also to exchange there the seal. I didn't did it up until now, and also today to check the valves, how the valves are, if they are need adjustments or they are good. So yeah, we are going back to assemble the back of the bike and some other parts, so we're making progress, and I hope you enjoy till now the project and my videos that I do between. Are also, I hope, really nice for you to see what I do on some other things also, and what I know, of course, because I like to share content and my knowledge. So if you have something about the HPN or HP2 or HPN, or you have some specific questions about the HP2, you can ask. If you have questions what the difference are, or you have suggestion what videos I can do, I'm really open. Put it in the comment section, and always please like and subscribe if you can. So yeah, let's see. So guys, on the left side we have I have checked the valve clearance, and on this side it looks really nice because they go out and in very smooth, and it's not too big and it's not too small. It's, I would say, really perfect fit. On this side I have adjusted a little bit because it was, in my opinion, a little bit too tight, and because they don't want it to fit, you needed a little bit too much strength to put it in, so I made it a little bit less, and now they go in and out really nice, like tight but nicely. So 0.15 millimeters on this side, and on the outlet it's 0.30. And yeah, we will do the same on the other side. So now we have checked here the valves, and here on the other side I have also exchanged the spark plugs. And if you see it here, there was on one side one spark plug not mounted that should be mounted, so it was a different one, don't know why, but from the length and everything was the same. It was just only that it don't have like this two metal things, I would say. Now we are installing our clutch plate with our aeration tool I bought on the internet. Quite nice tool, because this aeration tool has some adapters, so you can use it for the modern or oil cooled heads, air heads, and for the olders also, like R100 GS or R80 GS, or even older like R52 or R69 BMW. So really nice, and it was like, I think, €5 or something expensive than the normal one, just only for this engine. So I thought, let's go buy this one, maybe we will need it in the future, who knows what will come. So yeah, now I will tighten the screws, and then put it together and put in the gearbox. Hopefully this would be a target for today. Hello guys, so as you see, I have already mounted also the air filter. The gearbox is in, the starter motor is in. I changed the seal on the front of the crankshaft where the belt is going on, and also played a little bit with the gas lines for the throttle lines. I will exchange the main one. I have already the part, so I came to the idea, yeah, I ordered it, I will exchange it, because it's on the beginning not looking good, and I'm afraid that it will at some point break down, and then yeah, we will have a problem somewhere in the desert or somewhere in the mountains, so we don't want to do it. So I'm pretty happy with today's achievement, because clutch is in, gearbox is in, air filter is in, check the valves, and exchange the ignition spark plugs. So it's quite a good day for today, and it took too long, but that's good, because I don't have too much time today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Then press the like button, and if you want, please subscribe. This supports me and keeps me motivated, because it's a quite huge community that wants to know about the bikes or want to know about HP2s. Some that have HP2s, they just reach me out on Instagram about several or some topics that they didn't know about, or that they don't know. So yeah, you can also press the comment button, write your comment, everything what is in your mind, and yeah, I hope we see each other next time. Goodbye.